Hello. Today we'll explore one of the most striking Montessori materials, the binomial cube. To a child, it's a puzzle. To an adult, it's algebra in 3 dimensions. This material is introduced first through the senses, before any symbols or formulas. Invite the child gently. Would you like to build the binomial cube? Open the box slowly and remove the pieces one layer at a time. Lay the pieces out on the mat. Notice the colors, red, blue, and black, and the different shapes. Begin with the red cube in the corner. This piece anchors the structure. Add the pieces one by one, matching colors and patterns carefully. Rotate pieces gently until they fit. As the cube forms, a beautiful symmetry appears. Pause. Let the child observe. When finished, lift the cube and return it to the box. If the lid closes perfectly, the work is correct. If not, the cube invites another try. Avoid explaining the mathematics at this stage. This is sensorial work. The hands and eyes are learning first. Extensions include building the cube outside the box and viewing it from different angles. The binomial cube shows that mathematics can be touched, seen, and loved. The beauty of logic made tangible.